Good day, traders. This is Hippolyta from Day Trading Room. Just bring you a recap of my trading today for July 28th, 2014 on a Monday. Um, got some pretty good levels here today. We're going to start with my intermediate chart. It's a couple levels I was watching today that I wanted to fade. One of them worked out for a small scale, and the other one just never panned out. I was watching 16,000. 16,928, which is this big level here. That is July 9th high. So we got this July 9th high. We got a retest, failure, somewhat support. We broke it last Friday. We got a good retest on that today, that Friday, and then today we tested it again. So I got a nice little trade, nice little scalp out of that move. But and then at the lows, I was watching 16,976, which is the low of the 8th of July, and that was a good response off that level. So I was looking to see if the market would come to it, and then if I get a good short it to test it, and then if it reaches it and fails, hold, try to ride it back up and see if we can get this 928 and. Somehow, somewhere in here, I got a little mixed up, but I'll show you exactly what I did. Alright, so let's go into the trades here. I had a total of 5 trades. I had 2 winners, 2 losers, and 1 scratch trade. Total of plus 58 for the day. Market open again in this shaded area. This darker shaded area is the overnight Globex hours, and the later shade is the RTH pit session. Market opened right here. It dropped down. It found a little bit of buying, a little push up to test 900. Completely failed. And at this point, it was very tight, very tight. I think it was like 21 ticks or something like that of range. And I really wasn't was waiting for more volume to come in. So I told myself, wait till we take out this low here. We take out this low, or to even test this 860, this 16,860, which again was which is this level, which is the highest traded price from June 26 or May 26. This composite starts on May 26, and this is the highest traded price since then at 16,860. So I figured. I told myself if the market fails that level, comes back to retest it and find a seller, short it. Exactly what I did. It came up here, market went up, tested 900, failed, dropped down. It started dropping down. I'm just waiting for a good seller to lean on. And as soon as the market came down here, it took out 860, which is the dead center of this band, and it popped up. And on its way down, somebody came in with a hammer of selling, and I spotted him. The market came down. It came down, popped up, banged down, and they just stalled. Put my short, stopped right above it, and it just rolled down. That's exactly what I did here. I took it out. I got a plus 10, plus 15, and then over here on my last scale, the market found a level of support and tanked over, came back up, and then as soon as I told myself I'm gonna get out. I was telling the room that if it doesn't crack this level on a retest and it bounces up, I'm gonna get off, and that's exactly what it did. Hit the level, bounced right up, and I took it out right there for a plus 30, and that was my first trade of the day for plus 55, I believe, 55, and then the market went up here. It tested the overnight high, the overnight low, which is the dashed white lines here, the dashed white lines. This is a high, this is the low. It came up, the first test came down, went back up. Sellers were still there, they were over here also. So I used these guys, they were over here, went short, stopped right above, got my first scale, moved down. There was a 10 tick stop loss. Got my first 10 tick scale on the other 2 scales. I moved them down to 5 and made that a free trade. Market came back, took me out. A scratch trade on that order there. Up here, Market kept running back up. Again, I really wanted this level here to get tagged and look for a long around here, but just the fact that I didn't reach it and do the greatest of job looking for short. I was really looking for the market to turn over and curl, given that Friday was a gap down selling. I was still looking for a short down, and market came up here, tested this level more from the morning, and I tried to short it, and I just didn't like it. Completely just died, and still looked bullish. I took it off right at the very high, and the market came back and could have gave me a scale, but a small loss, a -6 on two scales. Nice little short there. Short stop there. Drove right back up. And as it was driving up, I was watching a couple levels. I was watching 900. I was also watching this one, and obviously the big one. And this shouldn't be here. Actually, yeah, that's my stop. That's my stop guide. I was watching this. I was watching this 900 level since we failed early in the morning. I was looking to see if those guys were still there. And there was a couple guys reloading in there, so I took a short there, put my stop right above them. It was a one scale order. It just kept driving up. There was a lot of energy in this move, and took a small loss there. So I just waited for the better trade, which was up here. Market popped up and it just stalled, but up here on this tape, the bids were just heavy. It was five. The depth of market had five. I got 5 levels of just of bids, and they were all in the triple digits. And it just died. They just stopped buying up here. And I took my short. I put my stop right above there, and the market just turned around, and it just came down, and it gave me 20. It gave me 20 ticks on one scale. And I was looking for the market to test this swing high here, and it just didn't work out. It didn't work out as far as going up. I took my order right at the overnight high, and that was my trading. So 2 winners, this one and my first trade and the last trade of the day were the winners, and then in between I had two small losses and 1 scratch trade, and consider that a good day. Obviously, in hindsight, that would have been the trade of the day, but again, I was really waiting for this level here to get tested for me to even consider a long. So I managed my risk a lot on all my trades, so I minimized the damage pretty well today. So good start for a week. So yeah, that was it. That was it for my trading. Tomorrow I'll be looking for a couple more levels. I'm still interested in this 860, so I'll be watching that level, and let's see what we get. Again, if you're still interested in what we're doing here in the live trading room, we trade price action and the tape reading. It's our main focus, and we focus mainly on the YM. We do visit other markets during the day, especially when it's really quiet on the YM. We do visit other markets to see what's going on across the board, and see if there's any other opportunities for any other guys, or if I see anything, I give them a shout out. So again, if you're interested, just click on the upper tab here, live trading room. Click on that. It'll take you to another room. Actually, let's do it right now. Click on that. Take you to this. You scroll down to the bottom. There's a free trial tab. You hit that. Put your name, your email. Hit submit, and we will set you up for a free trial in our trading room. All right, guys. That's all I got for you today. See you tomorrow. Take care, guys.